No words, right? Hey guys, and welcome back to Tabletop Thursdays. My name is Vanessa, and today's episode, I'm going to explain to you, one, what you just saw, and two, why epoxy is the right choice for your outdoor flooring installations. Actually, let's be realistic. It's probably the best choice for you to get for all your flooring installations. Check out this little video. Most people think that epoxy is just for garages and industrial kitchens. But actually, epoxy flooring is practically everywhere. From pool decks to galleries, museums, hair salons, schools, bars, restaurants, and even residential living rooms and bedrooms. And yes, even walkways. Why is epoxy everywhere? Because it's so durable. We here at American Epoxy use industrial strength epoxy, so it can withstand heavy foot traffic, heavy walkers, marchers, and any drops. And still, you will not see any wear, tear, chipping, or flaking. The epoxy coating will retain the high gloss finish and resist stains, chipping, and peeling and fading. Basically, it can withstand anything you throw its way. And boy, do we mean anything. Not like the cheap, do-it-yourself epoxy kits that will peel and chip within a couple years, or like the overlay of paint. Your epoxy floor will keep in place for years to come. So guys, you tell me, would you rather have epoxy floor, one installation done for about 10, 20 years? Or would you rather do a cheap kit or paint that'll last up to 2-3 years if you're lucky, then you have to repaint, recoat, repaint, recoat every couple years? Nah. But guys, that's all I have for you today on Tabletop Thursdays. Thank you so much for joining me, and check out our website, check out our videos, comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you think. Have a good one. Thanks.